Can you imagine planning an international holiday, booking your flight, packing your bags, and then receiving an official government warning asking you to think twice before traveling? Well, that is exactly what many Americans are now seeing. As tension with Iran continue to grow, the US State Department has once again issued a nationwide caution, warning American citizens about increasing security risks, and that too across the West Asia. Well, the advisory says that travelers should be prepared for sudden flight cancellation, airspace closure, travel delays, and rapidly changing security conditions. Well, it also warns that if the conflict expands further, Iran or groups allied with Iran, they could target American diplomatic mission, government facilities, and locations associated with the US interests overseas. Now, this does not mean that every American abroad is immediately in danger, but it does show how seriously Washington is viewing the current situation. Governments usually issue such nationwide advisory only when they believe events could change very quickly. In today's interconnected world, one military strike can affect commercial flights, business travel, tourism, and even students studying abroad. Airlines may change the routes overnight. Insurance costs can increase. Some countries may tighten security at the airport. Others may ask the citizen to avoid certain region completely. And this warning is not only important for Americans. People from many countries, including India, often travel through Gulf airports while flying to Europe or maybe North America. And yes, that is why developments in West Asia are being watched very closely around the globe. Because when regional tension rise, the impact is rarely limited to just one nation. When America is focusing on growing military tension overseas, another incident has grabbed national attention at home. This time, the headlines are coming from New York City, a place known for its busy streets, towering buildings, and constant movement, suddenly witnessed panic after an explosion outside one of city's most important federal building. The blast took place outside 26 Federal Plaza in Lower Manhattan, basically a building that houses several major federal agencies, including offices of FBI and Immigration and Custom Enforcement, better known as ICE. According to investigators, a suspect allegedly used an incendiary device outside the building, triggering a fire and forcing emergency teams to rush to the scene. Authorities quickly secured the area before taking the suspect into custody. In fact, the officials say that the Joint Terrorism Task Force is now leading the investigation, while officials they continue trying to understand the motive behind the attack here. Reports, in fact, also suggest that 3 people were injured during the incident. Now, wait. Think about the timing of this incident for a moment. America is already dealing with heightened security concern because of the conflict in West Asia. At the very same time, several American cities have witnessed protests over immigration policies and demonstration against ICE. So, naturally, when an explosion takes place outside a federal building connected with immigration enforcement, it immediately raises difficult question. Was this an isolated criminal act? Was it politically motivated, or was it simply meant to create fear? Well, at this stage, investigators have not reached any final conclusion. Though, what is clear though, is that security agencies are treating this very, very seriously, which they should. In today's world, even a single attack outside a government building, it can trigger nationwide security reviews. The investigation is still underway, and officials say that more information will emerge only after the evidence is carefully examined.